Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning, professional-quality videos in minutes. Yes, you heard right. Video creation has evolved significantly over the years, with artificial intelligence now playing a revolutionary role. No longer is video production confined to big studios or require extensive technical know-how. Enter AI in Video.io, a platform that integrates AI technology to offer a seamless video creation experience. This isn't just a tool for the tech-savvy. It's an accessible platform that empowers anyone and everyone to become a video creator. Whether you're a novice or a pro, AI in Video.io provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface that combines the power of AI with your creativity. This AI-driven platform is transforming the landscape of video creation, making it faster, more efficient, and more personalized than ever before. With AI in Video.io, the future of video creation is not only exciting but also at your fingertips. Now, let's delve into the dynamic features that make AI in Video.io stand out. One of the foremost features of AI in Video.io is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. This platform is designed to be easily navigable, even for those who are new to video editing. You don't need to be a tech whiz to master this tool, just a dash of creativity. Next up is the platform's vast library of templates. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant animation or an elegant corporate video, AI in Video.io has got you covered. With thousands of professionally designed templates to choose from, you're bound to find one that perfectly suits your vision. But what truly sets AI in Video.io apart is its AI-assisted editing and customization feature. The platform's intelligent algorithms work with you, helping you tailor your content to perfection. Whether it's suggesting optimal cuts, enhancing audio quality, or even recommending color schemes, the AI becomes your personal editing assistant. Efficient rendering is another key feature of AI in Video.io. Time is of the essence in video creation, and this platform ensures that your masterpiece is ready to go in no time, without compromising on quality. Lastly, AI in Video.io supports output in various formats, making it easy for you to share your creation across different platforms. Whether it's a high-definition video for a big screen or a compressed file for social media, you can do it all with AI in Video.io. Indeed, AI in Video.io is not just a tool but a game-changer in redefining how we create and share our stories. But what does this mean for you as a video creator or a business owner? Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your video creation process. That's exactly what AI in Video.io does. It saves you precious time by automating repetitive tasks and providing pre-designed templates. This means you can focus on the fun part, the creative process. Moreover, AI in Video.io offers unparalleled flexibility. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned video creator or just starting out. The platform is designed to cater to all skill levels. You have the freedom to experiment, to iterate, and to create videos that truly resonate with your vision. And the cherry on top, it ensures professional output. With AI in Video.io, you can create high-quality videos that captivate your audience, leading to better engagement and increased productivity. The benefits are clear: time-saving, flexibility, enhanced creativity, and professional results. When it comes to creating impactful videos, AI in Video.io indeed proves to be an indispensable ally. So, are you ready to elevate your video creation journey? As we've demonstrated, AI in Video.io is not just a tool, but a partner in your creative process. With its free trial option, there's no risk in exploring the transformative power of AI in video creation. Imagine the possibilities, the stories you could tell, the impact you could make. Don't wait for the future of video creation. Embrace it now with AI in Video.io. Your imagination deserves the power of AI.